Welcome to innateapps.com. In this quick walkthrough, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up and send push notifications to your website visitors. Step 1. Add a new application. Start by clicking the Add New Application button on your dashboard to begin creating your push notification app. Step 2. Enter basic information. Fill in the app title and upload your app icon. We recommend a square icon, either 512 by 512 or 1024 by 1024 pixels for the best results. Step 3. Customize the pop-up and whitelist your domain. Define the message you want to show in the pop-up that asks visitors to subscribe. Then, enter your website domain in the whitelist access box and click Update. Step 4. Integration code. Download the JavaScript file and upload it to your website's root folder. Then, copy and paste the integration code into your website's header before the end tag. If you're using a script from yourfreeworld.com, just log into your admin panel, go to the Tools section, select Send Push Notifications, and paste your integration code along with your login credentials, then save. Step 5. App Overview. This section gives you an overview of your stats. See how many users have subscribed to your notifications. Step 6. Send push notifications. Click the Push Notification button to create and send a message directly to all your subscribers instantly. Step 7. Transfer your app. Optional. Selling your website? No worries. Ask the new owner to create an account on Innate Apps, then simply share your app credentials or transfer the app manually. That's it. You're now ready to grow your website's engagement using push notifications. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Innate Apps community.